Hey guys, it's Sugar Skull Candy. I am bringing you a super sparkly look today. Today we are going to do a snowflake eye makeup. Looking at it now after I added my red lipstick, it kind of looks like 4th of July stars, red, white, and blue. So maybe don't do the red lipstick, maybe like a blue lipstick. But like I said, snowflakes. It is Christmas time and I am ready for Christmas and Christmas songs, guilty pleasure. And can we just take a second to just appreciate the Christmas lights? They're so cute. They're so cute. So yeah, if you like what you see, continue watching. All right, so I already have my eyes primed. So the first thing I'm going to do is go in with my C brush from E.l.f. Cosmetics, and I'm going to use the shade Rendezvous from my Morphe palette, which is this color right here. And I'm going to apply that all over my lid. After that, I'm going to go in with the shade Knockout from the same palette, which is this one in the upper corner. And I'm going to concentrate that on my lid. I feel like that just gives it more of a snowy look. Then I'm going in with my Super Cat Liquid Black Eyeliner Pen. This is by Soap and Glory. This is a newer brand that I've seen lately, but I really like this liner. I like it because it's nice and thick for when you want to do a thick wing, which really comes in handy when you are going to apply fake lashes. Because if you make your wing, if you make your eyeliner too thin and then you put fake eyelashes on top of that, it kind of blocks your liner, and then it makes your shape of the eye, makes the shape of your eye look funny. So I like a thick liner for when I'm using fake eyelashes. So next I'm going to go in with my white liquid liner by NYX, and I'm going to use this to draw little snowflakes all over my, under my brow bone here, or on my brow bone I should say. If you want to amp it up a little more, as I always do, go ahead and apply brush on Bling to your eyebrow. I'm going to use the silver one by NYX. And then also I'm going to take some silver glitter and I'm going to apply some glitter glue onto the snowflakes I've created and add some glitter. The glitter I'm using is also by NYX. It comes in this little tube. It's like a multicolor type deal. So first I'm going to do the brush on Bling. Then I'm going to curl my lashes with my E.l.f. eyelash curler. And then I'm going to apply fake lashes after I put mascara on my natural lashes. Once again, I'm not actually gluing the lash because I'm gonna be taking it off right away after I'm done here. I always end up doing my tutorials at night where I'm not actually going anywhere, which is inconvenient, but whatever. So yeah, I don't have it actually glued on, so it looks kind of funny, that's why. But, so that's a completed look. So, I just gotta finish up the other side and we'll be all done. Oh, actually, I want to add white liner to my waterline. Alright, then from here all you gotta do is finish your other side. I'll probably put like a red lipstick on and maybe blue highlighter if I can find some. And that'll be it. And after I finish my other eye, this is the completed look. If you like what you saw today, please like, comment, and subscribe. Share my videos if you enjoyed them. And tune back in next week Tuesday for a brand new tutorial. Bye everybody.